Recently we all heard news about China, that they have made an artificial sun. What is it? Let's have a look. It is the nuclear fusion reactor of China that holds the record for being able to sustain temperatures 5 times hotter than our sun for over 17 minutes. This reactor is called the Experimental Advanced Superconducting Tokamak, or the artificial sun. This artificial sun, or the reactor, touched temperatures of 70 million degrees Celsius during experiments. It is in fact a donut-shaped reactor chamber where heated-up plasma is trapped with a powerful magnetic field. The goal of this sun is not to supply light or heat, but instead an enormous amount of clean energy that researchers hope to harvest to power cities. East gets its nickname artificial sun because this process of energy generation, known as nuclear fusion, replicates the sun's physics. The process uses atomic nuclei to generate large amounts of energy into electricity, by merging hydrogen atoms to create helium. The project has cost China a whopping $943 billion, and the experiment is expected to run until June 2022. This is one of the greatest achievements for humans. As humans, we need a good amount of energy to meet our daily needs. To cop this, their reactor can help us a lot. Thanks for watching the video. See you around.